Hi friends, it's Peggy Noe from PrettyPaperCards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today with a pretty quick tip for you. Just to introduce you to or remind you of Stampin' Dimensionals. What are Stampin' Dimensionals? They are little pieces of foam that you can put under your stamped items on your cards and projects, and it lifts them up just a little bit to give dimension to your card. They are sticky on both sides, but the one side this side that we're looking at here has a little cover on it, so you can pick it up, and the other side is sticky. You place it down and remove the top cover and put your next thing right on top, and it gives dimension. Our Stampin' Up! Dimensionals, the Stampin' Up! Ones, come in the regular size and the mini size. Here are the little minis. Look at those little things. Aren't they cute? And those are for small areas where a larger Stampin' Dimensional would not work. Now, I have a little hint for you, a little special tip, because this is a pretty quick tip. And I want to show you what to do when you get to the end of the sheet. This sheet started out like this, and I used all the dimensionals and I came to the very edges, but I don't want to waste that. So I want to cut and use part of these pieces. But if I take my piece off like this and cut it with my paper snips, it'll get adhesive on my paper snips, and then they don't work as well as they should. So the little tip is, leave your edges on, and when you're ready to use some, clip it right there on the backing sheet, then take it off. And in that case, it does not put adhesive on your scissors. So that is your pretty quick tip. Here is a card that I made using Stampin' Dimensionals. This is from the Peony set, Peony Garden set, in the current 2020 and 2021 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. And you can see here that I have used Stampin' Dimensionals underneath the peonies to lift them up and give them dimension. You can kind of see that, and let me put it this way, maybe you can see the dimensionals under there. And I've done that also with both with this little banner and also more dimensionals under the thanks. And those are the little mini dimensionals. So dimensionals just add really something nice to your cards and projects, and I wanted to give you little hints on how to use them. So thank you so much for stopping by today for my pretty quick tip. Bye-bye.